Will the control panel be removed from Windows?
The control panel, an application we've used for various settings since the early days of Windows, is officially being phased out, but this transition won't happen overnight. Microsoft has confirmed plans to deprecate and remove the control panel in favor of the more modern and streamlined Settings app, which was first introduced in Windows 8 in 2013. Over the years, many settings previously managed through the control panel have been moved to the Settings app, especially since Windows 10 in 2015. While interfaces in Windows 11 and 10 support transparency effects and dark mode, these features are still not available in the control panel, which retains the same interface as Windows 7 and 8. The number of settings accessible through the control panel has significantly decreased, with most functionalities now in the Settings app. Despite this ongoing transition, the control panel remains available for compatibility reasons and for settings not yet migrated. Microsoft recently updated its documentation to reflect this deprecation process officially. The upcoming Windows 11 24H2 update, expected in September or October, will continue this work by adding more settings to the Settings app, including color management, printer options, and new features like Energy Saver and pseudo command controls. This shift to the Settings app also means that users will experience a more cohesive and aesthetically pleasing interface, aligned with the overall design principles of Windows 11. Moreover, as Microsoft integrates more AI-driven functionalities into Windows, the Settings app is better positioned to accommodate these advanced features, providing a more intuitive and responsive user experience. The transition from the control panel is part of a broader strategy by Microsoft to modernize the Windows operating system, ensuring that it remains competitive and capable of meeting the evolving needs of users. While some users may feel nostalgic about the control panel, the move to a unified settings interface simplifies navigation and reduces redundancy. It also allows Microsoft to focus on enhancing a single settings platform rather than maintaining two separate systems. This change is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a more efficient and user-friendly environment. Security improvements are also a key factor, as the Settings app is designed to be more secure and easier to update than the older control panel. In addition, the Settings app offers better integration with Microsoft's cloud services, enabling seamless syncing of preferences across devices. Although it may take a few more years to complete this transition, the control panel's end is inevitable as Microsoft focuses on providing a modern and unified user experience through the Settings app. This evolution reflects the company's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction, ensuring that Windows remains a leading platform for both personal and professional use. As we look to the future, embracing these changes will allow us to fully leverage the capabilities of modern technology, making everyday tasks simpler and more efficient. What are your thoughts on this change, and do you still find yourself using the control panel for certain settings? Let us know in the comments below.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content.